Y'all get DentaRight night guard. Wonderful. 3 different sizes. And what it is a molding that you put in hot boiling water and you let it sit and you mold and it gives impression of your teeth and you put it in and now it's in there. They won't fall out or anything. And it helps you sleep at night where you don't grind your teeth. No teeth grinding. When I tell you it's amazing, oh, it's nothing like it. And it's one of you like grit your teeth real bad when you sleep. You ain't got to worry about none of that. You get this. And they got 3 different sizes. Which one ever fits the size of your mouth. And you mold them and put it in. You can't do no better than that. You guys want to go ahead and get you one. It's amazing. Prevents a lot of problems.